That cat. Come on. Poor kitty. I bet you if you let go of him, he'll run away.
I doubt it. He'll fall.
He's purring. Is that purring? Wade.
He did have face funny.
Poor kitty. Poor popcorn.
Why are you purring?
Is he purring?
Yeah.
Because you're playing with him. He likes to play rough.
Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Swag.
I can hear him purring from here. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Do you need help? Do you need help?
Super Saiyan flag. Can you touch your feet? Can you touch your feet? Whoop.
Oh, that's gotta hurt, Wade. Don't be so rough. All right, let him go.
Okay.
Oh, Wade. Come on. Just be nice to him now. Just be.
Okay.
Is he still purring?
Yeah.
I can hear him. How come he's purring and running away from you?
Because we're playing.
Will it give you kisses? What's the matter, Popcorn? He's out of there. You look a little roughed up, Popcorn. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, God, not again, he's saying. Cat torture.
Why are you hitting yourself? Why are you hitting yourself?
Be nice, Wade. He's a sweet little kitty.
Oh, like this one.
Hmm? He likes to dance.
Ups.
Oh, let him go.
Wee.
Poor cat.
Meow, meow, meow.
All right. Poor kitty. Let go and see what happens. Just let go for a second. It looks like a lemur. Let go of him and see what happens. He doesn't have a chance. Cat torture. Oops. No. Oops. Sorry, TJ. I was sitting on his tail. Wade. Oof, I get the aroma of a dirty mutt. Oof. You stink, TJ.
Ow.
I can't wait till they groom him.
Look at that.
Tuesday.
Got a hair in my nose.
All right. I'm going to cut this off. Do something spectacular, Popcorn.
Wee.
Oh, Wade. I didn't even get it on video. I don't think he liked that.
He stopped purring.
I'm sure he did. You're being mean to him. Give him a kiss. Let him know you're just playing.
No. Ow. Man on a sticker.